Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If today is the first time of you coming across this channel, thank you so much for coming. And if you have been across this channel, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are making simple and delicious soup. We call it light soup in Ghana, and we are going to use chicken in making this soup. Let's get started. To start with, this is my chicken and I'm using the hard chicken, and I'm using this method. Okay, as you can see, I'm using flame to remove the pin feathers from my chicken. Okay, I don't like seeing them in my chicken. So after I butchered or chopped it, this is my onions, garlic, ginger and pepper. Guys, I'm going to use fresh ingredients in this soup. Okay, I blended it and then added it into my chicken. So this way I'm going to steam my meat, and I added my seasonings and then my salt. That is all that I'll be used to steam my meat with. Okay, I'm using fresh vegetables for my chicken soup, as I like to have the taste of fresh vegetables. So I'm going to steam it for a little while and then remove it and then blend. Light soup is so easy to make. Okay, it is one of our popular soup in Ghana, and we really enjoy this soup a lot. So it's already steamed. After blending it, I'm going to add it back into my chicken. Okay, our light soup is almost done, guys. It's as simple as that, and I'm going to enjoy it with my fufu. So guys, this is what we have. As you can see, it looks so awesome and amazing. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. We've been hearing a lot of people saying, Ghanaian soups are wata soup. It's wata soup. Yes, that's how our soups are. Okay, we actually enjoy light soup. We normally like our soups very light. Okay, if you want, you can choose to enjoy your own as thick as you want it. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate. Please remember to like, comment, give me a thumbs up, and then subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, shalom, peace out.